What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the manifold air pressure sensor, also known as a MAP sensor, in this 2013 Cadillac SRX. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. There's a screw right here. I'm going to use a T30 socket, extension and ratchet. Take that screw out. Pull that out. I'm going to take this oil fill cap off, set that aside, grab this cover, and just pull it up. So I don't drop anything down into the oil, just put the cap back on. We want to disconnect the connector right here, just push down on the tab, and slide it back. And there's a screw right here. I'm going to use a T25 socket, extension, and a ratchet. Loosen this up. Be careful not to drop the screw. Pull that out. Just grab the sensor, just carefully wiggle it back and forth, and pull it straight up, and there it is. Take the MAP sensor, just check the O-ring, make sure it's not cut or anything. Slide it in position and push it straight down. Just like that. Take the screw. Get the screw started, and I'll use my T25 extension and a ratchet and just snug it down. It's snug, not too tight. Take the connector, line it up, lock it down. Just gonna take the oil cap off. And we can take this cover, slide it back in position. When it's lined up, you can just push it down right there, and then in the back, that's good. Put the oil cap back on. Take this screw, the screw's gonna go right there. And just take a T30 socket, extension, and a ratchet, and we'll tighten it down.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.